aspirin or blood thinning medicines are prescribed to many of the people nowadays. Why? Because they are having thickness of the blood, and this can be fatal or can cause severe health issues. Yes, it's right, it can cause. But what is this thickening of blood and why it happened? And is there any alternative also? I'll try to share all the information in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thickening of the blood, also known as hypercoagulability. Now, what causes thickening of the blood? If a person is having high cholesterol, it can cause thickening of the blood. If a person is having high hemoglobin, iron, or ferritin in their body continuously for a long period of time, this can cause thickening of the blood. There are many of the medications that can cause thickening of the blood, as OCPs, oral contraceptive pills. They can cause thickening of the blood. Many of the diseases can cause thickening of the blood, as lupus can cause thickening of the blood. Less mobility, you are not moving throughout the day, you are having sedentary lifestyle, this can cause thickening of the blood. Obesity can cause thickening of the blood, and thickening of the blood can be because of the genetics also. Now, how can I know that I am suffering from thickening of the blood? I'll tell you some of the symptoms. If you feel pain in the chest area, especially near to the heart, if you are having heart pain, if you are suffering from arrhythmias, if you feel tingling sensation on the tip of the fingers, if your fingers are numb, if you feel cold or freezy in the tip of your fingers or in your toes, it can be because of thickening of the blood. Why? Because thick blood doesn't circulate well. And that's why, because of less circulation, you are having this numbness or cold you are feeling in your hand or in your toes. Even tinnitus can be because of thickening of the blood. Itching of the skin can be because of thickening of the blood. Yes, eczema can also be because of thickening of the blood. Irritability, anxiety, excessive sleeping, all this can be because of thickening of the blood, because you are not having good blood circulation. That's why these symptoms are happening. Headache, dizziness, and bruises. If you see bruises happening very often and they are over there for a long period of time, this can be because of thickening of the blood. Okay, we understood the cause. What are the symptoms? We understood. But what is the treatment? Is there any alternative treatment? Yes, there are. Let me share with you. First one, it's not going to be comfortable for many of you, but it is very effective. I'll give you information. It depends upon you. You want to follow it or not. But if you are not comfortable, there are many other options also that I will share in today's video. So the first one is leech therapy. Leech therapy in Ayurveda is known as Jaloka Karm. It has been done in Ayurveda for more than 5,000 years back. It works awesome. Now, modern medical science also says that yes, leech therapy is very, very helpful. It helps in thinning of the blood because of the hirtin that is found inside the leech that pushes into our blood, and this helps in thinning of the blood. And this is the reason why after the leech has been removed, still there is oozing of the blood from the body. Why? Because all the good thing that leeches has pushed inside our body has made our blood thin, and that's why this is happening. So leech therapy is very, very effective. If you are not comfortable with leech therapy, you can just donate your blood after 3 to 4 months. If you're not comfortable every 3 to 4 months, then at least twice in a year, means every 6 months, you should be donating your blood. This is not only going to help you, but this will be helping others also. It's going to help you in thinning of your blood. But donating blood and leech therapies or anything is going to be helpful only if you are going to follow a healthy lifestyle. You will be eating right, then only your body will be making better blood. And for this, Ayurveda recommends following KAPHA pacifying diet. KAPHA means the heaviness in the body. It can be extra fat, it can be heaviness in your blood that is causing thickening of the blood. So avoiding the food that adds heaviness to our body is going to make our body lighter. It's as simple as that. So just follow KAPHA pacifying diet. This diet is on my website, that's vherbal.in. Just have a look on KAPHA pacifying diet. There will be a list of food products that you can consume, a list of food products that you should avoid. Just follow this diet. It's very simple. In general, it's the diet where all the things that are heavy or very dense in calories, those foods you have to avoid. As simple as that. So this diet is going to help you in balancing your cholesterol also. It's going to help you in having good and healthy blood also. Another thing that helps a lot is turmeric. Turmeric also helps in thinning of the blood. And garlic. Garlic works awesome. I use it a lot as in medicine. A person who is having high cholesterol or a person suffering from any of the issues with liver, Garlic is awesome. You can consume it. It is in the tablets form, it's in the capsules form, or just crush the garlic, leave it in room temperature for about 10 minutes. After that, you can just consume it, or you can mix it with honey or turmeric and then consume it. As you are comfortable, consume garlic. This is going to be helpful for you. Now, about Ayurvedic recommendations, the herbs that can be helpful, or Ayurvedic formulations that can be helpful. Whatever I'm going to share with you, these things are not available on my website. Neither I have any of the affiliated link of these products on my website, that's vherbal.in. You'll find cosmetic products that have no artificial chemicals, artificial color, or artificial fragrance added to them. You will find only natural stuff. So if you are interested, you can have a look. But the recommendations that I'm going to give you, you have to find them by yourself. But if these things are not available in your part or in your country, then no issues. Follow all other my recommendations. Those things are also going to be helpful. So now about Ayurvedic recommendation. First is Kaishor Gugul. This is an Ayurvedic formulation mixture of many of the herbs. I use it a lot if a person is having any of the issues with skin or with blood, because it cleans blood, and if your blood is clean, it's going to help you to have good skin also. So Kaishor Gugul, 2 tablets 2 times in a day, 30 minutes after the meal, can be drank with warm water. Second one is more harder. Name is Arogya Vardhani Vati. I understand it's hard, that's why it's written on the screen. You can take a screenshot or just write it down. Search for it. Awesome Ayurvedic preparation, can be taken 2 tablets 2 times in a day, before meal or after meal, as you are comfortable. Yes, it can be taken with Kashor Gugul, or you can take it on empty stomach also. How long to take Kashor Gugul and Arogya Vardhani? You will be taking it for 2 months and then have a gap for at least a month. And my third recommendation is about Trifla. Trifla is combination of 3 fruits together. It's not 3 chocolates or not 3 ice creams combination. So it's not going to taste like chocolates or ice creams. It's going to taste as herbs, and it's not going to be so tasty, but in few days you are going to be habitual of its taste. But it has lots and lots of positive effects on our body. It is full of antioxidants, vitamin C. It is very good for hair. It's very good for eyes. It's very good to balance cholesterol in the body. It's very good for digestion. It's going to help you to have healthy liver. And if you have thickening of the bile, in this also, Trifla is going to be helpful. Take 1 teaspoon 2 times in a day after your meal. You can mix it in warm water, or you can just take it and then drink warm water as you are comfortable. Can these 3 medicines taken together? Yes, they can be taken together, as Trifla is mixture of 3 herbs. Kashor Gugul is mixture of other many of the herbs together. So all these are herbal combinations that can be helpful. But if you are having higher levels of cholesterol and you want to reduce them, then I have another dedicated video on cholesterol where I have talked about the herbs that I use in my practice and I have seen good results. I'll put the link of that video in the description box down below. You can have a look. But if it's only about thickening of the blood, then these 3 herbs will be sufficient for you. If you are not able to find these herbs, then follow all other recommendations. Those will be helpful for you. I have tried my best to help you out. I hope you understood what causes thickening of the blood, what are the symptoms of thickening of the blood, and what can be helpful. Pass this information to the person who needs it. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.